Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to do an infill on these nails here. They are badly needed, as you can see. So I did the removal off camera and I'm going to go, I'd say I removed about 70% of the gel. And I'm just going to wipe over now with a lint-free wipe and some acetone. So that is also going to dehydrate the nail. So I didn't have too much lifting on these nails. They were pretty good. And they have been through holidays and water parks and swimming pools and all that kind of stuff. So they did really well. So first of all, I'm going to go in with my clear base gel. So this is a gel bonder from the manicure company because that's the system I'm going to use today. So this requires to be cured. So I'm going to go in with a thin layer. As you can see, I'm going to like scrub it into the nail plate. So I'm making sure that I cover every piece of this nail plate. And this is me doing it in real time as well. I just wanted to show you a couple of the nails in real time, not sped up at all, just so you can see exactly how much time I take. So I'm gently pulling back my skin as well with my thumb there and just making sure I'm covering every part of that nail. The brush kind of fans out a bit as it goes down the nail, and that's just making sure that it's going to get into every part of the prepped nail plate. So when you're prepping and you're etching the nail plate, that leaves the little grooves, and if you take your time and scrub your base coat into the nail plate, it just ensures that the gel will slip into all those little tiny grooves that you can barely see, and it just helps with your overall adhesion. Okay, so once that's done, I'm going to go in with my oval gel brush number 6 and I'm going to grab the Manicure Company's French Pink. So I have lately been using Madame Glam's gel, but I am all out of it. I used every last bit in the bot, so I'm going to go back to the Manicure Company for this tutorial. And again, there's nothing wrong with the Manicure Company. They are just as good as Madame Glam and I really like their consistency as well. So here I am, I'm going to go in with my bead. So I first did a slip layer. I didn't cure that slip layer. And I'm going in with my bigger bead here. So I'm just going to push that up towards the cuticle and the side walls without touching it, without flooding the cuticle. And I'm just going to pull it down from side to side with my brush. So here I use like a medium sized bead. I didn't want to add too much because the more you add, the more you have to take away if it's too much. And you can always add more gel. So it's okay to add a little bit more gel here and there before you cure it in the lamp. So I'm just kind of looking here from side to side and I'm using my lamp just to show where all the inconsistencies are and the bumps. You can kind of tell from your line of light where any little lumps and bumps are. And then I'm going to go in with my liner brush, which looks extremely drunk because it's so crooked. I think I left this out to cure in sunlight by accident. So when I opened it, it was like totally bent. So I'm trying to make the most of this liner brush at the moment. But yeah, I'm just kind of adding a little bit more gel to the spots where I think that it needs. And then I'm just pulling it around and manipulating that gel with the liner brush. So the thing I absolutely love about hard gel is that you have so much time to play with it. And you have so much time to perfect it before you actually put it in the lamp. Guys, I just wanted to jump in here while you're watching the rest of this gel application and say thank you so much for 1K subscribers. I don't think I said it in the last video, but I'm so grateful and I'm so happy that we made it to 1K. I can't believe it. And if you're watching this and you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. And also, if you have any questions about this video or any questions about my application, don't hesitate to comment and I will get back to you as soon as possible. So I'm just going to let you watch the rest of this gel application here, and I will be back to you for the next part of the design. Okay, so next up I'm going to do a little bit of finish filing. So the gel application was pretty good and I didn't need to do that much finish filing. I think the thumb I needed to go over a good bit. So I'm going in with my hand file here and I'm just doing around the edges. And I like finish filing with a hand file, especially if there's not that much to do. If it's tricky up near the cuticle and stuff, it is handy to go in with your e-file and specific e-file bits. But if it's a straightforward finish file, I just love going in with the hand file and getting it all crispy. So next up I'm going to go in with Love Bond from Madam Glam. Now if you saw my Madam Glam haul recently, this colour I swatched and I said straight away, okay, I want this on my nails next. I just loved it. It stood out so much to me. So this is their Korean gel formula. And you can definitely tell that it's different when you're painting it on. It goes on so smooth. It feels so different when you're painting it on to their normal formula. Probably does need a couple more coats. It is a little bit sheer, but that is the whole Korean gel formula style anyways. And I'm going to do 2 coats of this and cure in between each coat, but I absolutely love this colour. It's so pretty, so summery. And I do have a discount code for Madam Glam as well, so it's for 35% off. And if you want to use it, I'll leave the link in the description box. All you do is click on the link and it'll bring you to directly to, it will apply that link, that discount code, sorry, directly when you check out. So it will automatically be there when you're going to check out. So that is the second coat of Love Bond, that gorgeous, gorgeous pink colour. And it was at this point where my camera completely died on me. I was so raging, so I couldn't film the rest of the nail set. But what I did was go in with one coat of this colour right here. It's called Her Strength from Madam Glam. So one coat of this gorgeous fine pink glitter, and this is the result. This is how they looked. I love them so much. They're so summery and sparkly. Let me know down below if you like this set. And thank you so much if you made it this far, and I will see you in the next one.